Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your host VLD coming back with you with another video. Today I'm doing a little bit something different, and today I'm doing a massive camera bag review for you. And this is a backpack outdoor hiking techine that can hold a 15-inch laptop, and it's basically one of the biggest camera bags I've seen, and it's probably one of the best ones I'll ever have too. But I was stuck between this and another one. And so let's get into the review right now and a quick overlook of this bag. This bag came the other day, and I was a sag for it because I like to be like Link from Legend of Zelda and haul everything I own in one bag. And let's do a quick walk around from it. You see you have the side pouch, you have the front of it, and it's fairly big and it's kind of bulky, so if you have a lot of camera stuff, this will hold everything. And on the side here pouch on the back is your for your camera bag, for your camera, your laptop. You can hold your laptop in it, the zipper in the back. Everything's bright. The little clear plastic part is for if you want to put your name or like a ticket or business cards. That area can hold your tripod and strap into place. These straps right here, if you want to hold anything like any clothing or any extra equipment, kind of like here, that's what the strap is for. I just have a Amazon box for an example right here, just kind of like that, and then you just pull it into place. And then if you have anything like a tripod, you can basically put your tripod there or anything else with the back strap itself, which is a little bit handy. And with that, let's move on to the next part. You have your little zipper part in front and the top. You can basically, like in the front flap right there, it's fairly small. It's pretty comfy. You can maybe hold like batteries or anything for your devices. And the back flap itself, you pull it down. You have a smorgasbord of different compartments. You have a zipper up front, which you can hold batteries, accessories, whatever you need, memory cards. Those little flaps right there will hold memory cards. You can hold many different things like that. And then to the next part, you can basically hold pencils, pens, anything else in the front right there. You have two different flaps right there. They hold different things. That's used for pencils, pens, a phone, or anything else. And then behind that, you can hold anything else. Yeah, have another compartment to hold things in. So right there, you have three different things you can hold: smaller like batteries, memory cards, flash drives, wherever you need. On the top part, I'd say the top is hard plastic. And let's get into that. Like if you ever want to like hold your wallet, your keys, or anything, there's no zippers or anything. It's just a hard plastic shell right there. So you have anything that might be fragile, that might be a good point to hold it in right up there. I mean, it's fairly big, so it can hold quite a lot. And then let's get to the next compartment. Like I said before, you can basically hold anything you want in there. You have another flap behind that flap, and you can hold pencils, pens, memory cards in the zipper part. And that part is hard plastic. And then those are your two main smaller compartments to hold a bunch of little things you might lose. And let's go back to the side. Both sides are the same. You have where you can basically hold tripods. Those little straps hold the tripod into place. Are on both sides, so you can pop it in. It'll be nice and snug, and you can tighten it so your tripod won't fall out or go anywhere. And yeah, there's that. And let's get into the nitty-gritty part, the main thing you guys are waiting for, all the good stuff. And when you pull the flap down itself in the backpack, You have a zipper with deep pockets that can hold anything and everything you could think of. So if you have camera accessories, cables, straps, it'll fit there. And you have another zipper compartment right there. And then with those, you pull down the zippers themselves to get into the actual camera stuff themselves. Like I said, you have another zipper here, so you have more cables or accessories. You can put it in there. Like I said, with this camera bag, it has lots of this camera bag has lots of compartments. You can hold anything and everything. It also comes with a rain shield too, so if you're out hiking and you don't want your stuff to get wet, it comes with this, so it keeps it nice and dry, and will keep the water off your backpack, which it's already splash proof, but this is an extra layer of protection just for all your expensive camera gear itself. And like I said, you pull the zippers down to get to the good stuff, the meat of the product. And these are the dividers you can interchange. They're Velcro, and you can adjust. So if you want your camera bag a little bit different than, say, what I like to do, so you can adjust differently. They're just Velcro, and you can adjust them accordingly to however you want. And you can hold your camera, your lenses, and all your other high-end fancy equipment. Your flashes, can't forget about flashes. And then in the back here, it's Velcro. And then you can actually get to your laptop bag. So if you carry your laptop here too, you pull down the zipper, and then you can give a reach around and then get to what you need. So it's just an extra little feature that they have. And you have another bag on top too. Yeah, just Velcro, snaps right in place. And you just have another little zipper area too. Like I said, this bag has many compartments. You can hold everything and anything you could think of, all your little stuff. And then with that, you put up the zippers on the sides, pop it up, and that's kind of like a quick walkthrough of the camera bag itself. But there's one more thing. Underneath you have an extra compartment. You unclip, you unzip, and then you pull out. It gives birth to, wait for it, a camera bag. So if you just want to go out and about for the day with your kids, just doing like a little bullshit event, it comes with a small camera bag itself. Yeah, so if you want to hold, maybe if you don't want to lug around everything, if you just want to carry around, like, it also has feet on the bottom, so it'll make it nice and steady. It won't fall over. But also, if you just want to carry around like a couple lenses and just a body, you're good. Also, this does come out, so if you don't like the fanny pack like strap, it's also breathable too, so it won't get as hot or sweaty as like regular straps themselves. So you can have more air that transports through it. But personally, I'm not really a big fan of the fanny pack strap, so I'm probably going to take that off here in the near future. And let's open it up and see what's inside. You have more dividers and more straps. And then you also have two little flaps which can hold memory cards or batteries on top, which are nice and soft, which I do like that little feature that they added to it. And that itself is just like a regular camera bag strap if you want to use that to hook it on top. Which, I mean, it's not a bad thing, so they give you more features, really. Because personally, I will never use the fanny pack strap. I'm not a fan of it. It just looks too, not for me. And then inside you have just two dividers. They are Velcro, so you can adjust them however you want for your camera bag too. And yeah, let's see what else is inside. There are other Velcro dividers inside too, which it took me a second to realize that. And then there's some big ones, there's some small ones. You can set them up accordingly to however you like. And so if you want to have more lenses, more flashes, more camera bodies, you have the top compartment and you also have the bottom compartment too to hold more stuff. Like I said, with this bag, you'll be like Link from The Legend of Zelda. This bag will hold everything. It's literally like an endless black hole where you can pull out more and more stuff. And just like Velcro itself. You just yeah, just like that. You have it perfectly set up to however you like it. And let's compare the top to the bottom bag itself with the camera strap. So let's see, unzip it. Like I said, you have a million compartments. And yeah, no, you have 10, 12 different compartments set up. So if you have a dozen lenses or camera bodies you want to carry around, you can literally carry around everything like that. Like I said before, this bag will hold everything and everything you can think of. Even the small bag holds a lot of stuff. I mean, just look at that. Find me a camera bag that can hold 10 lenses with different dividers like that also. Plus, you have the smaller bag too that can hold 3 different lenses. I mean, for the price, you can pick this up for about 120 bucks, and I recommend this because this is going to be my new daily bag when I go out and about. And you can start calling me Link from Zelda. And let's do a quick look at the back. You have chest straps, so if you ever want to strap it to your chest, if you feel to be a little bit more secure to it, you can if you're out hiking. Instead of just the regular shoulder straps, you have that option too. And they do come off. Personally, I'll never use them. They're not my style, so off they go, and they're not really meant for me. And you have 3 clips that come with it. And then on the back itself, you have a little pocket, so if you want to hold batteries or memory cards, you can, like that. Both sides have it, so that's a nifty little feature. And that's one thing I didn't see at first, but you have 2 little zippers on the backside of it, so if you ever want to hold anything for quick access, you can. You also have a bottom strap also. And a good thing, it's breathable. The material has holes in it, just like the smaller bag itself, so more air can get through it. And it's hard plastic, so it'll be a tank. And one feature I didn't notice at the end was, you see that the back strap, you can pull it down and adjust it. There's 3 different sizes, so if you have bigger, smaller, medium shoulders, you can adjust it to make the bag while you carry it a little bit more comfortable to itself. And you just pull it down just like that. And the bottom have feet also, so they can stand up and it'll be a little more sturdy, just like that. And it's less likely to fall over, and it'll stay upright and pretty snug, just like that. I highly recommend this camera bag. This will be my new daily driver, and I really recommend it because this is the only bag I've seen that can hold everything and everything that I own in my gear. I like the design, I like the color, I like the shape. I recommend it.